WWE's resident superhero.
Yeah, here to get rid of all the evildoers in WWE.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Not to be taken lightly.
Better be careful, Saxton. You might be mistaken for a supervillain. They could call you Chrome Dome.
What's up with that?
Does this guy really think he's a superhero?
Of course he does, Michael, but more importantly, the WWE Universe believes in him. And so do I.
Here comes the Ace of Spain.
And his opponent from Madrid, Spain, weighing in at 154 pounds, A.KID!
Made his WWE debut at 22, won his first title at 24. He's got a bright future. Rarely the bigger man in the ring, but he will never stop fighting.
And more importantly, A.KID has got the entire WWE Universe by his side.
A man who always considers himself main event material, an uncrowned champion. He wants to show exactly why here tonight.
It's hard to not be impressed with the athletic prowess of A.KID, isn't it?
There's a reason the WWE Universe considers A.KID the Spanish sensation, Michael. He's got an unbelievable amount of heart and grit, bolstered with incredible technical skills.
He's certainly a versatile competitor, Byron. I'm sure we'll see all of that and more from A.KID in this one.
And across the ring is a man having a severe identity crisis. I can't believe we let this escaped mental patient into the building. I think I still have some kryptonite laying around here somewhere.
Come on, Corey. You're not a fan of the Hurricane? What's up with that?
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner. And Hurricane is showcasing his arsenal.
Every form of offense KID attempts is being neutralized.
Perhaps one of the most eccentric superstars in WWE, the Hurricane has racked up some impressive victories. What's the secret to that success, Corey?
Don't let the funny costume fool you. The Hurricane is more than a capable competitor. No matter how hard you knock him down, he will always get back up. To win against him, you really have to wear him down and take away his speed.
Hits the target!
Foot just stomping down.
Targeting a body part, working the arm. Take your time, enjoy it. Boom! Before the fist drops on your face.
Ooh-wee. And Hurricane fends him off. Just punched him right in the mouth.
Relentless.
Enough already.
Shaking power slam.
Got him set up in the corner of the ring. He's positioned up on that turnbuckle. I would not.
This isn't going to end well for someone.
Going up top.
Flipping the script on him there. Rough landing.
And Hurricane expected that.
Planted with a neck breaker.
Fujiwara armbar applied. This will hyperextend your elbow. Separate your shoulder. Agonizing situation.
He's in. And he's able to fend off what must have been a grueling submission.
He's able to fend off the attack.
He's in a little bit of trouble now.
Not a bad place to be in, but the longer this goes, the more trouble a superstar exposes himself to.
Set out mat slam. And
drop.
The Hurricane has his sights on the target. Here it comes!
Choke slam! Big opening for Hurricane to take this.
Try and end it. 1, 2, 3.
Victory and win.
Here is your winner, the Hurricane.
And if you're getting a victory like that, you got to be feeling pretty good about yourself.
That's what happens when you put in the preparation and the training.